Looking for the best embroidery machines in 2025? In this video, we'll explore the top options for beginners, professionals, and small businesses, featuring affordable and high-performance models. Stay tuned to find the perfect embroidery machine to bring your creative designs to life. If you want to know about price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. S1501 Commercial Embroidery Machine. Looking to start your embroidery business with the best embroidery machines 2025? The S1501 Commercial Embroidery Machine is your ultimate partner for professional results. With 15 needles, a spacious 14-inch by 20-inch embroidery area, and a blazing max speed of 1200 SPM, this machine is designed to tackle all your embroidery needs. Its advanced features, like a 12-inch touchscreen, Wi-Fi connectivity, laser positioning, and automatic color change, make operations smooth and efficient. Whether you're working on 3D caps, t-shirts, bags, or leather, this machine handles it all effortlessly. Recognized as one of the top embroidery machines 2025, the S1501 offers a friendly learning curve. Join the Smart Stitch Embroidery Machine Club for expert support and access to training resources. For peace of mind, you can book a live demo before purchasing. Plus, Smart Stitch provides comprehensive training, technical support, and a starter pack including threads and stabilizers to get you started right away. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your business. Watch now for more embroidery machine reviews 2025 and discover why the S1501 is the best choice for professionals and beginners alike. Number 2. EOC06 Embroidery Machine. The EOC06 Embroidery Machine stands out as one of the best embroidery machines 2025, offering a perfect mix of versatility, technology, and affordability. Featuring a large 7.9-inch by 11-inch embroidery area, this machine is ideal for clothing, t-shirts, beddings, and more. Its advanced InStitch i3 computer system makes creating custom designs effortless, allowing you to combine patterns, embroider letters, and edit designs directly on its vibrant 7-inch color touchscreen. With 156 built-in patterns, 8 fonts, and multi-language support, it's ready to inspire creativity from day one. Designed to be one of the best embroidery machines for beginners, the EOC06 simplifies your embroidery journey with its included starter kit. You'll receive threads, stabilizers, pre-wound bobbins, and multiple hoops, so you can start working on your projects immediately. The machine supports custom designs via digital software, easily uploaded using the included USB drive. To ensure success, the Pull-in Embroidery and Sewing Machine Facebook group and official YouTube channel offer tutorials, live support, and tips to master the machine quickly. As one of the most affordable embroidery machines 2025, the EOC06 delivers professional quality embroidery at an accessible price. Take your creativity to new heights with this feature-packed machine. Number 3. By the Mirror Commercial Embroidery Machine. The By the Mirror Commercial Embroidery Machine is a powerhouse, earning its spot among the best embroidery machines 2025. With 15 needles, a spacious 13.7-inch by 19.7-inch embroidery area, and a maximum speed of 1200 SPM, this machine is designed to handle professional-level projects with ease. Equipped with the advanced InStitch i5 computer system, it offers intelligent 3D hat embroidery, batch production of patch patterns, and step-skipping functionality, making it one of the most versatile options available. As one of the top computerized embroidery machines 2025, this multifunctional machine is perfect for caps, jeans, bags, leather, and more. The 7-inch Wi-Fi-enabled touchscreen allows for seamless design management, and transferring DST/DSB files via USB ensures a smooth workflow. Its fully automatic setup, coupled with a comprehensive embroidery kit, makes it an excellent choice for both professionals and hobbyists. This machine is ideal for those seeking embroidery machines for home use or commercial projects. BI provides extensive training and technical support, including access to their BAI Embroidery Machine family group and the BAI Embroidery Machine TV YouTube channel, offering tutorials and guidance for beginners and experts alike. Elevate your embroidery game with this feature-packed machine, designed to bring your creative visions to life. Number 4. The Brother PE900 Embroidery Machine is a standout contender among the best embroidery machines 2025, offering advanced technology, versatility, and user-friendly features. This embroidery-only machine is equipped with a 5-inch by 7-inch embroidery field, perfect for larger projects like florals, quilt patterns, and scrollwork. Its 193 built-in designs and 13 lettering fonts provide endless creative possibilities for both beginners and seasoned professionals. As one of the best sewing and embroidery combo machines 2025, the PE900 boasts wireless LAN capabilities, allowing you to transfer embroidery files directly from your PC using the Design Database Transfer software or via USB. With the ArtSpira mobile app, users can access 50 free designs, create custom patterns, and transfer them wirelessly, ensuring seamless integration with your workflow. Designed for efficiency, the PE900 includes advanced color sort to minimize thread changes and jump stitch trimming to handle excess threads automatically. The large 3.7-inch LCD touchscreen enables easy on-screen editing with features like resizing, rotating, and combining designs. Perfect for those seeking professional embroidery machines 2025, the Brother PE900 combines cutting-edge features with reliable performance. Whether you're crafting for business or personal projects, this machine is a top choice for bringing intricate embroidery designs to life. Number 5. Genome MB4S 4-Needle Embroidery Machine. The Genome MB4S 4-Needle Embroidery Machine is a top choice among the best embroidery machines 2025, offering professional quality results with ease. Featuring included hat and lettering hoops, it's perfect for creating designs on t-shirts, hats, and more. With its large embroidery area and 4 needles, it's ideal for small businesses looking to boost productivity. As one of the best embroidery machines for small businesses, the MB4S is user-friendly and efficient, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced users. Its compact design also makes it one of the best portable embroidery machines 2025, perfect for those on the go or with limited space. The Genome MB4S is the ideal solution for high-quality, fast embroidery, whether for personal or business use, making it a standout choice in 2025. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information about these products, do check out my description. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.